Dear daughter, don't worry about those stupid girls. If they try to bring you down, it's 'cause they're scared and insecure. Dear daughter, don't change for any man, even if he promises the stars and takes you by the hand. Life throws you into the unknown, and you feel like you're right there all alone. Well, there's a words that every girl should have a chance to hear. There will be love, there will be pain, there will be hope, there will be fear. And through it all, year after year, stand or fall, I will be right here for you. Dear daughter, I was just like you, and just like me, you're gonna make it through. These are words that every girl should have a chance to hear.